Now let us move towards the second subdivision under future tense, that is future continuous tense. So again continuous is there. So students, I hope it is very clear that with the first form of the verb you are supposed to add ing. And as we are talking about the future tense, so we are not going to leave this shall and will. But in future continuous tense, in order to combine shall or will with first form of the verb ing, we are supposed to use be. I hope it is clear to you. For example, future continuous tense is used to express an action which will occur in the normal course, means it is going to happen. I will be going to school in the morning. He will be visiting Uncle James in March. Another example is to express an action that will be in progress at a given time in future. It is almost the same thing. For example, at this time tomorrow, we will be revising for the test. So, few of the examples have been given over here. For example, I shall be jumping. You will be jumping. Negative, you have to use not in that. Interrogative will begin with the helping verb shall and will only. For example, shall we be jumping? Sorry, with shall I or we, shall we be jumping? Or will you be jumping? Negative will be shall we not be jumping? Will you not be jumping?